How to fast forward or speed up a clip in InShot. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how you can speed up a clip in InShot. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the InShot application in your mobile device. Then export your video from your gallery. For that, tap on video. If you want to add a new video, tap on new and export a video from your gallery. If you want to continue from your draft, you can choose one from the draft as well. Now once you have your preferred or the selected video in your timeline, there on the timeline just above it there is a menu bar. You have to swipe that to your left and there is an option at speed. Tap on it. With the help of the slide bar, you can either slow down the speed or increase the speed in the video. You can go to the minimum of 0.2 and the maximum of 100. So in order to speed up, you can maximize the slide bar. So maximize your preferred speed. And once done, tap on the tick mark on your right hand side. And as you can see, the video has been sorted, and if you want to play your video, the video has been fast forward. And that's how you can speed up a video in InShot. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.